Hey, everybody. This is Cynthia Lewis. Hey, many of you guys know that I am a business coach that help Christian business women to build thriving businesses. But what you guys probably don't know is I also care about being able to help entrepreneurs to be more healthier in their lives. One thing that I know to be true is as an entrepreneur, yes, it's important that we are building our business and things like that. But it is also important, guys, that we are taking care of ourselves, right? Because how many of you know if you are not able to take care of yourself, how can you operate a successful business, right? So health and wellness and self care is near and dear to my heart as well. And so um, I'm going to be talking to you guys about one of my favorite topics, and that is coffee, right? How many of you love coffee? Me. I love coffee, right? Listen, you know, I have a coffee that I'm promoting that is called Nova Smart Coffee, right? I love coffee. You know, this is a coffee that literally wakes you up, right? But not only wakes you up, it wakes up your mind. How many of you have ever had a senior moment? Me, I have many times where you were trying to recall something to your mind, to your memory, and you just couldn't, right? Guess what? This coffee will help you to alleviate that problem. Seriously. Now, I'm going to be frank with you. This coffee is not a coffee that's going to heal you. You know, it's not meant for you to take this coffee instead of your medicine or anything like that. Take your medicine if you're struggling with any kind of ailments and things of that nature. I'm just saying that this coffee will help you to be able to bring things back to your remembrance. And so just take advantage of it. Take your medicine, but you take advantage of this amazing product. And by the way, here is the product. Here's the product. It's a smart coffee. And it is so amazing, guys. So amazing. It has some amazing benefits. It basically helps you to improve your cognitive function. It helps you to improve your motivation, which is, by the way, very important, as well as your creativity. Those things are important as a business owner. And so, being able to benefit from those things um, are amazing things. So, again, this coffee is not meant to diagnose you, treat you, cure you, or prevent you from any disease. I'm just saying that this is an amazing coffee that can to um, help you with your memory, right? So continue to take your medicines as your doctor prescribed because I'm Cynthia Lewis. I'm a business coach. I am not a doctor. Okay, so listen to your doctor. But I'm also inviting you to um, take part in getting you some of the smart coffee, the Nova Smart Coffee, because it's going to wake you up, right? It's going to wake you up. Um, and what I love about this coffee, it's so good to drink. It's not like any of those coffees that are on the market. You know how you drink those coffee and then after maybe 2, 3, 4 hours, you get so sluggish and you're trying to stay awake and it doesn't make you feel like that. It literally wakes you up. It gives you energy, helps you to just move forward with your day. And so I love that. I normally drink my coffee with my oatmeal, right? And so it's up to you on what coffee that you choose to use. But you know, what it's up to you with what you choose to put inside your coffee. Um it's up to you, right? It's up to you. I when I do it, I make I boil my water. I either boil it with, on the stove, or I put it in the microwave and let it boil. And then what I do is this amazing coffee, the Supernova coffee. You can see it. I think you can see it like, yeah, there you go, like that. This coffee. What you do, you get your coffee cup here, right? You got your water. You're gonna boil your water, either put it in a microwave or you're gonna boil it on the stove, and then you're gonna take your scoop here. You're gonna dig in there and you're gonna get your scooper, dig a cup out, pour it into your cup, right? Then you're gonna get your creamer, right? You're gonna do your creamer. You're gonna do your creamer. So, and you're gonna take all those things and you're gonna mix it together, right? You're gonna mix it together, and then you're gonna have your amazing coffee. I love that coffee. So good, so good. Anyway, I like to eat mine. I like to drink my Nova Smart Coffee with my oatmeal because it tastes so good together. I don't add sugar to my coffee because in my oatmeal it's enough sugar. And so I'm very conscious of what I put inside of my body. And so sugar is, I don't just intentionally put sugar into stuff. If I'm eating something that complements what I'm drinking, like my coffee, and it already has sugar, that's enough sugar for me. So um, guys, I want you to go and check out the Nova Smart Coffee. I want you to buy this coffee, guys. To um, it is going to give you a different a perspective about coffee than what you normally might have to drink. So I'm gonna include the link on how you can get it. You can go to https://shophbn.com/543-460 and you can get the coffee. I'm also going to include a link below this video so that you can go to that link and buy the Nova Smart Coffee. Guys, if you know of anyone that struggle with, their memory or things like that, give it to them. I mean, what does it hurt to give them the Smart Coffee, right? They can take whatever medicine that their doctor has prescribed to them, but I do believe in plants versus pills. And this, my friend, is a plant-based product. So go check it out. All right, guys. Till next time, this is Cynthia Lewis, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.